Hello ma'am, good morning to you, and now I explain color of the ribbon I use. In my created soap basket, I use different ribbon colors to add meaning and beauty to the overall design. The black ribbon represents elegance and strength, giving the basket a classy touch. Pink symbolizes care and gentleness. Blue stands for trust and calmness, while sky blue, a sense of clarity and peace, like a clear skies. Lastly, violet represent creativity and uniqueness, highlighting the artistic side of the work. Together, this color make the soap basket not only visually appealing but also meaningful. And so now, um, I explain naman kung bakit siya yung binigyan ko. So now, I choose my cousin to receive the soap basket because even though bata pa siya, ang dami naming happy memories together. Siya yung palagi kong kabanding sa laro, tawanan, at kakulitan. Kahit simple lang ang moments namin, sobrang saya namin. And sobrang saya siya kasama. I want to give him something special para ma-show ko na I appreciate him and all the fun times we share. Para sa akin, he deserves it because he brings joy and good vibes every time we're together. Hindi lang yung sana ibibigay ko, pero may araw pa na sa susunod na bigyan ko pa siya ng kung ano-ano, kasi appreciated ko masyado siya. And yun lang po. Thank you so much, ma'am. God bless. Peace.